corporate accounting the backbone of financial management. Corporate accounting is the essential framework that enables businesses to track, analyze, and report their financial activities. It serves as the foundation for informed decision-making, regulatory compliance, and stakeholder communication. This document delves into the key aspects of corporate accounting, exploring its fundamental principles, advanced techniques, and the evolving landscape of financial reporting in the digital age. We'll examine how corporate accounting impacts strategic planning, risk management, and overall business performance. Fundamental principles of corporate accounting. Generally accepted accounting principles GAAP. GAAP provides a standardized framework for financial reporting, ensuring consistency and comparability across organizations. It encompasses principles such as the accrual basis of accounting, materiality, and the going concern assumption. International Financial Reporting Standards (IFRS). IFRS offers a global set of accounting standards facilitating cross-border financial communication and investment. It focuses on principles-based guidelines, allowing for more professional judgment in financial reporting. Double-entry bookkeeping. This foundational concept ensures that every financial transaction affects at least two accounts, maintaining the balance between assets, liabilities, and equity. It forms the basis for accurate financial statements and audit trails. These principles form the bedrock of corporate accounting, guiding financial professionals in creating accurate, transparent, and meaningful financial reports. By adhering to these standards, companies can ensure the integrity of their financial information and build trust with stakeholders. Advanced techniques in corporate accounting. Activity-based costing (ABC). ABC provides a more accurate method of allocating overhead costs to products or services based on their actual consumption of resources. This technique helps in identifying unprofitable products and improving overall cost management. Balanced scorecard. This strategic planning and management system aligns business activities with the organization's vision and strategy. It integrates financial measures with other key performance indicators to provide a holistic view of organizational health. Data analytics in accounting. Leveraging big data and advanced analytics tools, accountants can now provide real-time insights, predictive analysis, and more accurate forecasting. This shift towards data-driven decision-making enhances the strategic value of accounting information. Blockchain in financial reporting. Blockchain technology offers the potential for more secure, transparent, and efficient financial record keeping. It can reduce fraud, streamline audits, and enable real-time financial reporting. These advanced techniques represent the evolving nature of corporate accounting, moving beyond traditional record keeping to become a strategic business partner. By embracing these methods, companies can gain deeper insights into their financial operations and make more informed decisions. The future of corporate accounting. The future of corporate accounting is being shaped by rapid technological advancements and changing business landscapes. Artificial intelligence (AI) and machine learning (ML) are set to revolutionize financial processes, automating routine tasks and providing more sophisticated analysis. This shift will allow accountants to focus on higher-value activities, such as strategic planning and risk management. Cloud-based accounting systems are becoming increasingly prevalent, offering real-time collaboration, enhanced security, and scalability. These platforms are enabling businesses to access their financial data from anywhere, improving decision-making agility and operational efficiency. Sustainability accounting is gaining prominence as stakeholders demand more transparency on environmental, social, and governance (ESG) impacts. Integrated reporting, which combines financial and non-financial information, is likely to become the norm, providing a more comprehensive view of organizational value creation. As regulatory environments evolve, corporate accountants will need to stay abreast of changing compliance requirements and international standards. Continuous professional development and adaptability will be crucial for accounting professionals to thrive in this dynamic landscape. I am AI Jennifer. Leave a comment if you have a question. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel.